Hello everyone who loves the kitchen. Today, Hatan will bring everyone to a very special culinary experience. Together we will discover the dish. Smoked salmon pizza is a modern, high-class variation of the traditional pizza, with a sophisticated European culinary style. Prepare ingredients: thin pizza crust, 1 piece with a diameter of 25 centimeters. 150 grams of cream cheese, 100 grams of thinly sliced smoked salmon, 10 grams of dill, 50 grams of cherry tomatoes, 20 grams of shallot seasoning, olive oil, lemon juice, salt, ground pepper. Steps to make: wash the cherry tomatoes, cut in half or thinly sliced, peel the red onion, thinly sliced or diced. Wash the dill, chop finely, keep a few whole branches for decoration. Bake the pizza crust at 180 degrees for about 5 minutes to make the crust hotter and crispier. Remove the crust and let it cool completely. Put 150 g of cream cheese in a bowl. Add a little salt, ground pepper, and a few drops of lemon juice. Use a spoon or hand mixer to beat the cream cheese until it is soft and slightly fluffy. Spread the whipped cream cheese evenly on the surface of the cooled pizza crust. Gently place the smoked salmon slices on top of the cream cheese. Arrange the salmon in a spiral or zigzag pattern to create a beautiful look. Continue to sprinkle the sliced cherry tomatoes and shallots evenly on top. Drizzle a little olive oil on the surface of the pizza. Finally, sprinkle the chopped dill on top for a fresh aroma and color. Presentation and enjoyment: cut the pizza into 6 to 8 triangle slices. This dish is usually enjoyed at room temperature or cold. No need to bake again after covering with smoked salmon. Things to note: smoked salmon is a type of fish that has been processed and is usually served cold. Never bake pizza after placing salmon on top, as the high temperature will dry out the salmon and lose its characteristic flavor. Make sure the pizza base is crispy before spreading cheese for the best quality dish. Soften the cream cheese before spreading. You can add a little unsweetened fresh milk if the cheese is too thick. Dill is a must-have ingredient in this dish because its aroma blends perfectly with smoked salmon, preventing the dish from being too greasy. Smoked salmon pizza is a modern, high-class variation of traditional pizza, with a sophisticated European culinary style. The special feature of this dish is the combination of a thin, crispy pizza base, a layer of rich cream cheese instead of tomato sauce, along with salty, soft smoked salmon slices and the fresh aroma of dill. This pizza is often served as a luxurious appetizer or a nutritious snack. Hatan would like to express our deep gratitude to the audience who have accompanied us until this moment. Wishing everyone lots of joy and happy family meals. Don't forget to watch the latest recipes coming soon.